The DeWalt 2100 PSI model stands out as a top pick for 2024. This model is not only listed among DeWalt's top 5, but is also praised for its portability and design. Its compact structure is likened to a suitcase, complete with a protective cage for storage. The hose and nozzles fit neatly inside, making it easy to transport with its telescopic handle and wheels. The DeWalt 2100 PSI comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to tailor the water pressure and spray pattern to different cleaning tasks. The DVPW 2100 motor starts effortlessly with a simple flip of the on-off switch, and a 35-foot GFCI cord ensures quiet operation. Its internal storage is designed for convenience, letting you store and access the wand and nozzles effortlessly. The sturdy stacking frame and compact design mean you can store it either vertically or horizontally with the hose secured under the main handle. This pressure washer also includes a turbo nozzle for wider cleaning coverage, a 15-degree nozzle, a 40-degree nozzle, and a soap nozzle with stick storage. The removable soap tank is perfect for when detergent is needed for thorough cleaning. The versatility of this tool is impressive, making it suitable for cleaning everything from tools and equipment to decks, siding, sidewalks, boats, outdoor furniture, and vehicles. The DeWalt 2100 PSI Electric Pressure Washer is a reliable and versatile option for home use, offering a balance of power, portability, and value that makes it a smart investment for anyone looking to tackle various cleaning projects with ease. For the listed price, this is great.